Good morning, Indian Creek Explorers. My name is Devin. Today is Wednesday, November 20th, 2013. To honor America, please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
That's wrong.
I pledge allegiance to the flag Please join us for the daily moment of silence. Today's lunch is pasta with garlic toast, fish nuggets with roll, and mixed vegetables. Now to Ben.
Some interesting things happened on this day in history, such as in 1923, African-American Garrett Morgan patented an automatic traffic signal. He later sold the technology for the Morgan traffic signal to General Electric Corporation for $40,000. His invention came after he had seen a car crash into a horse-drawn carriage. Morgan was distressed by that traffic accident, and so he developed a new way to make streets safer for motorists and pedestrians. Also, in 1980, Steve Tasic and Solar Challenger piloted its first solar-powered flight. The aircraft was designed and built by AeroVironment Incorporation. An earlier 71-foot wingspan solar-powered design, the Gossamer Penguin, flew about 1.95 miles at a public demonstration on August 7, 1980. Solar Challenger built upon this experience to be a piloted, solar-powered aircraft strong enough to handle both long and high flights with encountering normal turbulence with only a 46.5-foot wingspan. It had a huge horizontal stabilizer and had enough wing area for 6,128 solar cells. After design modifications, Tasic flew across the English Channel flight on July 7, 1981. Now back to Devin.
As most of you know, we are working on speed stacking in physical education. It is an exciting sport where students stack and unstack 12 specially designed cups in predetermined sequence. We have the opportunity to order these fun cups starting Friday, November 8th and ending December 4th. Cataloged and order forms will be given to you to take home. Your parents can order and pay online, or you can return your order form to check to Mrs. Moberg. No cash, please. Don't forget to say happy birthday to Peregrine White, the first child born on the Mayflower in 1620. We think that she might be around 393 years old. The word of the week is peripheral, a piece of equipment used by a computer and under the control of a CPU. That's it for the morning news. Remember, we're geared up for success. AMPD, absolutely no put downs. See ya!